So in today's video, we have the Ipsy Glam Bag X for the month of May. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, because you guys know I have me some opinions.
We know.
Then keep on watching. Okay, so really quick, I just want to let you know this was gifted to me by Ipsy, but I do have my own account. So here's the thing. I had so much going on that in my account, I forgot to pick my choices and everything. So when that comes in, I will unbox it because I have no idea. Still, I don't even want to look and see what I got. I don't know. So it's going to be a surprise. But then again, I might because, you know, I'm nosy. But with this, I haven't even opened it. I don't know what's inside. Like I said, this comes every 3 months. It's $55 plus tax. And yeah, if you don't know what this is, they do collab with a different influencer or celebrity every 3 months. And then it's supposed to go by what the celebrity or influencer's favorite products are, right? I think the last one was the Addison Rae, which, you know, that was in February. I have my feelings because I noticed, like, all of them are by, like, younger, because, you know, I'm 46, so, like, you know, 20s or maybe early 30s or, like, but basically 20s. You know, so it's a lot of skincare heavy. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. We shall see. Let's see what's in this month's box. So, when you open it up, like this. Okay. So, the first thing is right here. So, you get, this is one thing I love. I love that it comes like a newspaper. I tell you this every time I get this. It reminds me of like my grandmother. Because every morning she would have her coffee, reading the newspaper, you know. Now, I don't know who this young lady is. She's quite beautiful. Throwing paper at you. So, I don't know who she is. Madelaine Petsch. I don't even know how to pronounce her last name. I'll put it right here. I don't want to mispronounce it, but she's very pretty. And I believe she's like very, by the way, I'm looking at the picture. Looks like she's very, she doesn't wear a lot of makeup, right? So it might be, this might be very skincare heavy. I don't know, because like I said, I didn't pick my own product, so I don't know what the choices were, you know? So we'll see. I wish there would be a box where it's like makeup and colors and stuff like that, but that's just a personal preference, you know? Okay, so here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, and I like to tease a little bit. Alrighty, so how am I gonna, I'm just gonna pull out the first thing that I see. Okay, so the first thing is from First Aid Beauty. I like First Aid Beauty, and this is a Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. This is alcohol-free, safe for sensitive skin. And I've never tried their toner, and I use toner every day. In the morning, and then when I wash my face at night, even when I don't have any makeup on, after I wash my face, I go in with a cotton round, do this, you know, and then I use it. That way I could take all the residue off my face from the cleanser and all that type of stuff. And then I'll go in with my skincare, you know? So, all right, I'm not knocking that. Let's see how much that puppy is. Okay, so this is $24. Okay, so that's the first item. The next item is from Olivia Palermo. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. And this says it is an illuminating serum. I figured this is going to be more skincare heavy, like dewy illuminating, because I can tell by like her picture, you know. Oh, that is a gorgeous packaging. This is like a hunter green. And in the light right here, it's just beautiful. All right, let's see how much this puppy is. I'm almost scared to look. Okay, $40. So, of course, it's a serum, so you would put this like as your skincare, like before makeup. So, let's see. Put it right here and just see. Do one little, ooh, came out a little fast. And it's like a purpley color. It's very pretty. And, yeah, it feels just like a serum, and oh yeah, you could definitely see it's very, like, this is for like if you have dry skin, you know. But I've been saying in a lot of videos, I just undid my I just unboxed my Boxycharm, but I think this video will go up first, so you'll see it tomorrow. That I'm more, I don't like that matte look anymore. I'm more into like the dewy. So this is going to be nice. I'm happy to get this as well. So, all right, 2 for 2. Yes. All right, the next thing is from Vacation. This is a classic lotion. Oh, SPF 40. And you guys know I've been doing it. Well, if you don't know, I have a second channel called Just Anne's World. And I've started this new like walk and talk where I just walk around my neighborhood and talk. It's more vlog style. I do car vlogs, take you shopping with me, to my doctor's, whatever I have to do that day. So I am glad to get SPF because I notice, it's getting nice out and I live in Jersey, right? So it's not like summer yet weather. It's still like 60s, maybe 70. Today's raining and cold. But, so I started to get a little bit of sunburn. So I'm glad to get this because I'll definitely use it. Yeah, it's water resistant up to 80 minutes. All right, let's read up on this and see how much this puppy is. So this is $18. It's a classic lotion SPF 30. So it's sunscreen, you know? All right, I just want to smell it. Oh, it has a safety seal. So, I don't know why I get so excited every time I see a safety seal. It just reminds me of like sanitary reasons, you know? All right, I just want to see if what it smells like. And it doesn't really smell like anything, which is good. I was hoping it smelled like, you know, like the beach. I love the beach. But no, well, kind of. Yeah, it kind of does. I'm going to put this on because I love the smell of the beach. I grew up on the beach. My mom and dad were from West Atlantic City. And so it just brings back memories. You know what I'm saying? So, all right. I'm happy for this too. Let me get a drink of water. It's just all skincare so far. Okay, moving on. The next thing is this puppy. What you be? Oh, this is KVD. This is tattoo liner. I don't use liquid eyeliner, but I heard, and it's in black, right? Yeah, Trooper Black number 10. So this was when Kat Von D owned it, you know, and this is one of her top sellers. And I hear like a lot of people love this. I'm definitely going to put this in a future giveaway only because I just don't use liquid eyeliner. You know, it's a personal preference. And I think that's like $22 or something like that. Let me make sure. Okay, so I went into the Ipsy site and it's $23. So I was close. All right, so we have that. Like I said, that'll go into a future giveaway. So there's one makeup product. All right, the next thing is from Complex Culture. And, oh, it's a lipstick. So I love bullet lipsticks. And it's in the shade Legit. Ooh, okay. Let's see what color you be. I love bullet lipsticks. All right, so that's a cute little package. And I've never tried their lipsticks from this brand, so. Ooh, and that's pretty. Would you look at this color? That is gorgeous. It's like a burnt orange, kind of reddish, brick color maybe. I don't know. Brick is more red. It's a pretty color. I like it. All right. So we have that. Let's see how much that puppy is. And these are $20. All right. So we have that. The next thing is from another good brand that I like is Sunday Riley. Okay, this is called Pink Drink. And this is a Firming Resurfacing Essence. I've never tried this from, and Sunday Riley is quite expensive. Ooh, it's beautiful. And it's pink, and it has a little thingy. And how I usually use this, I don't know. For essence, I don't know if I'm doing it right. After I tone, I go in with the essence, right? And this is a spray. But usually what I'll do is put it on another cotton round and put it on my face. But since this is a spray, I would just spray it on my face and then rub it in, you know? It doesn't really have a scent, but then I don't know. I'm smelling that SPF because it smells like the beach, you know? All right, let's see how much this puppy is. $48. That's not as bad. I thought it was going to be more. It says this multitasking essence helps resurface, balance, and firm with peptides, ceramides, probiotics, antioxidants, and vitamin-rich pink yeast extract. Use the mist to refresh your makeup and rehydrate your skin during the day. Okay, so that's what that says. All right, we have two more products. The next thing is from Tarte. So this is the concealer. It's called Creaseless Concealer. I have used this before, and this is in the shade Fair 10N. So this might be a little light for me, but that's all right. I'd rather have it a little bit lighter than darker, you know, because if I put it under here, you know, that way it brightens up my skin. That does look a little light. I do like this. I've tried this before, so I can vouch for that. I do like it. All right, and that's what it looks like, but let's see what color. Oh, it's not as dark as what I thought. I mean, light. That's what I thought. Look. Ew, I like that. This is a neutral shade. I like that. Okay, that'll go great. It's like a little bit lighter than my foundation. Oh, I'm happy about this. And this is $27. $27, I think the price went up. I'm excited for this. I really am, because I do like this concealer. And last but not least, we have a palette. Thank you, Jesus. Now, it's probably going to be a neutral palette because, you know, it doesn't look like she's wearing much makeup. It says Sunset to Sunrise. Did we get this before? Iconic London. I think we got this before, and I think maybe a Boxycharm. Let's see. I'll know once I open it up. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we got this. Okay, so it has a mirror, and then these are the shades right here. It's probably going to blind you because of the packaging and then the ring light. Let's see how much. These are like $50 or $60. I do remember that. Let's see. $62. Wow, that price must have went up too. All right, so let me take this off and we'll do a couple swatches really, really quickly and see. All right, I'm going to do a few of the matte. Like this row right here is really pretty. Like this shade here, the matte, let me just say, let me make sure my hands are dry. Ah, that is just gorgeous. Okay, let's do the yellow. Do this color, and then I'm going to do the white. I just want to see. I don't know, guys. Let me see if it's buildable. Let's see. I mean, it's definitely buildable. That yellow, though, is not really pigmented. Let's go in with a couple more mattes, because the mattes seem light. There's a lot of shimmers. Like, this is the darkest in the matte. So we'll do a couple. I'll do 3 more. But there's no like dark brown or anything. This is more like a purple brown. And there we go. Let me swatch that light one again. That light purple. That's pretty. I mean, it's for $62, I think that's why I'm like, $62. But again, swatches don't mean anything because sometimes when you put it on the eye, it's different, right? All right, let's do a couple shimmers. Okay, here's 4 right there. Guys, oh, I don't know. For $62? Okay, I'm going to do 2 more. That orange looks pretty. I'm going to do it right here. Now that orange is really pretty in here. I don't know. I mean, it's a nice palette. I have to try it on. It is buildable. I'd rather have a buildable palette than a pigment palette. I say that all the time. But $62 is a lot of money for this. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's recap everything that I received inside this box. So you have an eyeshadow palette. That's great. I'm glad I did get an eyeshadow palette. We got this really pretty. And actually, now that I'm thinking of it, this shade will go great with the palette. So I'm happy to get that. I am very happy to get this SPF because I'll definitely use it now that I'm outside a lot. Do you know what I mean? Sunday Riley, we have this essence. I'm glad to get this. I love Sunday Riley, and I'll definitely use it. As well as the toner, First Aid Beauty. I use toner and essence every night, and I use the toner in the daytime too. So I'm glad to get it. It'll be used. This other serum, I've never heard of this before, but I'll use it. I use serums up. I tell you guys all the time, if you guys get a lot of skincare and you don't know what to do, put it on your elbows, put it on your feet, anywhere. You can use it on your neck. A lot of times I always say you can tell a woman's age. How? By your neck and their hands. So a lot of times we put it on our face and we neglect your neck, your décolleté, your hands, because whatever you put on your face, you rub in your hands, right? So you can use these up. You know what I'm saying? So I'll definitely use it up. What else did we get? I am most excited for this Tarte Creaseless Concealer because I've tried it before and I like it. And I'm glad the shade's perfect for me. I'm glad. And then we got, this is the only thing that I won't use out of the box. And it's because I personally don't use liquid eyeliner. That's a personal thing. But I heard this is a really good product. And I think that's everything, right? Yeah, that's everything. So what do I think of the box? If I had to rate this between a 1 and a 5. This is a tough one because it's very skincare heavy because there's only 3 makeup products. Well, 4 makeup products. So, even though there's a lot of skincare, I will use all the skincare. Does that make sense? So I'm not that disappointed. And I was expecting this box to be more skincare heavy because I see what she looks like. Do you know what I mean? She doesn't wear a lot of makeup, right? So, I don't know. I don't think it's bad. I've definitely got worse boxes than this, but I don't think it's bad. So, I'll say about a 3. Like, I'm even. I'm not disappointed, but I'm not, like, excited. Does that make sense? Like, if somebody said, would you pay $60 for all this? I would pay the $60 for it. I think the palette's a little overpriced, but then again, I haven't tried it out. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys are getting in your Glam Bag X. Are we box twins? Are we not? And also let me know down below when I do get mine in. Do you want to see what I think of that box? Let me know down below. Don't forget I do have that second channel. So check it out if you want to get to know me more on a personal level. And if you like vlog style videos. I am going to start my travel vlogs, like I said. So we're going to go all over Jersey. And you get to see what parts of Jersey looks like the boardwalks, the beaches, different places, you know? Alright guys, that's everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Leave a comment. Like I said, let me know what you think of this box. Very quickly, I will be having 2 giveaways this month. I ordered excuse me, I feel like I'm losing my voice. Jeffree Star came out with the new Banana Fetish eyeshadow palette. I bought 2. So as soon as that comes in, I'm going to have a giveaway. I know not everybody likes Jeffree Star or supports him, so I'm going to have another giveaway as well with other products. So make sure you have your post notification bells on. That way you know when I do upload those videos, because I do not put them in the titles or thumbnails. And the only thing I require for the giveaways is to be subscribed. Do you know what I mean? Because I give back to those who support me. So, yeah. Oh my God. I need to clean this desk off ASAP. All right, guys, that's everything. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video.